Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my pre-market predictions for Nifty using Elliott wave theory. So before we get into this analysis, this is my disclaimer, read carefully. And I'm not responsible for any losses if you took the trade according to my trade plans explaining here, and this is only for educational purpose, not for financial investments. So let's move on to SGX Nifty. So day before yesterday, I did that it will retest that 15,600, and the day before yesterday it went up for 15,690 in SGX Nifty, and Nifty is almost 700 here, right? Yeah, 727. And here in SGX Nifty, after that today, it again broke the previous low and bounced back. So this level is the most important level, and from here I will explain, because whether it is going to do or it is because see in that weekly chart, and I have explained that on that Sunday, nearly the 20 minutes video I did. This is the Nifty chart. Yeah, we are in that fourth wave, right? We are in that fourth wave, so it made took more time, and it may retest that 14,200 also in my prediction. But once again I'm explaining here, it may again go above that 19,000 also, and then it can came back to the lower level also in the irregular flat formation. So if it did like that, that will be a little bit complex correction may taken here, and there is no need to retest this 14,200 also here. So before that, so we will look into that daily chart. As per my Nifty, it has to reach this zone of nearly 17,200 to 17,600 level, and again I'm expecting this could be the correction part for this impulsive. This is the correction, and one more this kind of impulsive way to here, right? So that is why I'm expecting the 14,200. But see, these are all the circumstances and the surroundings. It's uncertainty, it's around us. You have to understand that also. If the war stopped, I already informed that if the war stopped, it can go and it can shoot anytime, and it won't take the resistance support. And at the same time, if it is a bearish, it won't took that the support, and it will break easily. So these are all that uncertainty time, so it can do anything, and we have to change according to the price action. We can change the label also, so you have to know that. See, now here in SGX Nifty, I will show you that I can label this also end of the correction also. That is also the possible. So how, right? I'll show you here. So the previous, you just take a snapshot for this. This is my previous plan. So according to this is the 1A, B, C correction. So this is the 1A. So this whole thing is B and C. So for this A, this is the B and this is the C. Already it's got completed here. And we need this, if this is the connecting part. So this is the end of the trend. Or else this is the impulsive wave. It can do what I did, right? The 17,600 or 17,200, and then come back to that 14,200 also. So it depends upon here whether this is an impulsive or it could be a three-wave connecting part. So if this is the A, this is the B, and this is the C. In case this is the W, this is the X, this is the A, this is the B, and C means, if you look into the daily, right? I just unhide all those things. And if you look into the weekly, it looks like simple one A, B, C. We don't know about whether it is doing a irregular flat or not, but at the time, if it reached the 17,400, that will took more time to consolidate, or it can shoot from here also. If it shoot like this, we will mark it this as a B and C. The correction part is got completed. Otherwise, if it is go to that for 17,200 or 17,600, and again if it breaks this low, then that will be a our view, what I'm explaining here. So we can change the labelings according to the price action. You have to know that. So how we have to trade? This trade is a compulsory in the buy trade section, and I already informed that in my videos in that past Sunday. As usual, the Monday or Tuesday I did that. So you go through that, I have explained clearly. So this is my view. We can change that. If the war stops, if it can shoot means, then how that crude oil looks like now, right? US oil. Look at this. So these are all the unexpected move. But my target is 130. It's already reached that. 135 reached that. My target was here. 115. You just go through and check. But before that, what I expected here, one more low and then one more high to reach that 115 to 120. But what it did here? But expecting this, I'm not in sell side. You must to know that. You know very well. From here onwards, once this is not, the low is not broken, exactly I explained that my target is 115 and it already reached. And the next target I have said that 135, that is also almost reached. So these are all this uncertainty moves. You have to understand that in any strategy. And gold, what I said perfectly, the invalidation point, whether it is going to hit or not, I'm not worrying about that. According to the Elliott waves, I took the trade, and it is not yet broken this to 2075.14. My invalidation is point same. So if we are following one strategy, you have to stick to that. And don't blame that whether if it is valid or invalid. That is the question. How much you make money in that valid portion, and if it gets stopped out, and what is your loss, and almost what is your overall, what is your profit, that you have to understand in this financial market. No pattern or no strategy is 100% in this market. You have to understand. I'm not forcing to anybody to come to my classes to attend the classes. That is why I'm explaining. Even though if you attend, you can't trade like me. It is depends upon your individual personality. And I'm not doing scalping. It won't suits me, my personality. So try to understand that circumstances, strategy, go deep, master it in one, and then you can have a look. You need a reason to take the trade, and you need a reason to exit the trade. That's it. And if you have to place a stop loss or not, it's up to your choice. So my view is that same. It is doing as per our view what we discussed in that Sunday or Monday or Tuesday. What we expecting is 17,000. Then we will come to know this portion. We will see just how much that pattern or waves it's forming here. Then we can come to the conclusions. So hope you enjoyed my video, and this is only for that learning purposes, not for financial investment. Mind that. And this is only for education. Whatever strategy you're using, just do that. Master it in that. So we will see you tomorrow or on Friday. I found a time. Okay. So let's move on to this one, SGX Nifty and Nifty. That same pattern here. The pattern is entirely different from SGX Nifty. Here we are getting more corrections interior in the 4 hours chart here, and it is not yet clear here. It is not clear portion here. That is why it is very difficult to identify that labelings here. That is why I am following the SGX Nifty. So let's see you in the next video. Thanks a lot. Have a nice, wonderful day to you all. Bye.